Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will be exploring the process of importing data into the entities within a Profisee. Let's jump straight into the action. Within the Profisee application, we have to navigate to the My Workspace section. Then we have to click on the new option. Then we have to choose entity option here. Now we have to choose the specific entity. So you would like to import your data into. For this demonstration, let's select this product entity. Then we have to click on OK button. Next, we have to locate and click on the import button here. So here is the import button, click on it. Then we have to click on open option. From here, we will select our data sheet, which includes the products information. Then click on OK. Then we have to choose the preview option from here. We can preview our data from here. Then click on next. Then we have to do the mapping of Profisee attributes with the Excel sheet attributes. Like for a ID, we will map to the code, then product name, then product description column, origin, sales unit, and price. Then we have to click on the finish. And then we have to publish our changes. And there you have it. Your data is now successfully imported into your chosen entity within a Profisee. Use the same process for other entities and stay tuned for more informative content in our tech series. Thank you.